Hey everyone, welcome back to our tech troubleshooting series. If you're a video editor using Sony Vegas Pro and you've encountered error code 45, you're not alone. This pesky error can halt your workflow, but don't worry, I'm here to break it down for you step by step. Let's start with what error code 45 actually means. In Sony Vegas Pro, this error typically indicates a problem with file access or permissions, often related to missing, corrupted, or incompatible media files. It might pop up when you're trying to import footage or render a project, leaving you frustrated and stuck. Now, let's talk about the common causes. One major reason is corrupted project files or media assets that Vegas Pro can't read properly. Outdated software versions can also trigger this, especially if you're running an older build that doesn't support the latest file formats. Hardware issues, like faulty drivers for your graphics card or storage device, play a role too. And don't overlook simple things like insufficient permissions on your files or even conflicts with other running programs on your computer. The good news is that fixing error code 45 is often straightforward. First, try restarting Sony Vegas Pro in your computer to clear any temporary glitches. Next, check your project files, make sure all media paths are correct and that the files aren't corrupted. You can do this by re-importing your assets or using the Repair Project feature if available. Updating Sony Vegas Pro to the latest 2025 version is crucial, as it includes patches for common errors. If that doesn't work, dive into your system settings, update your graphics and audio drivers, and ensure your antivirus isn't blocking the software. For more advanced users, running a disk check or repairing the Windows registry might be necessary, but proceed with caution. Once you've applied these solutions, test your project again. If the error persists, consider reaching out to Sony's support forums or consulting a professional. Remember, staying up to date with software updates can prevent many issues like this in the future. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more editing tips. See you in the next video.